Now if I give this call LG9, let's give styles for this call LG9 also. It means that only when we are more than large screen. Large screen means more than 992 pixels. So basically here, if I have call LG9, here before this I'll give call. Call LG9 means only in the large screen it should take 9 parts. Now look at this here. Only in the large screen means if the screen size is greater than equal to 992. Only in this situation, it should take away 9 parts. Now, if I have MD here, MD9, what does this mean? In medium screen, only when the screen size is greater than 768 pixel, only then here it should take 9 parts. Here it is 768. Now we are more than 768 pixels. Till 768 pixels, it is going to take 9 parts only. But notice as soon as I get less than 768, did you guys see now what happened? Now it is no longer taking 9 parts. So now similarly here you can do row calls MD3, which means that only when we are in the medium screen, which means more than 768, only then it is going to take 3 columns here. Otherwise, it is not going to work.